This beast, we have a Ford 460 big block Snow Machine engine and dyno here in St. George, Utah. Put this together for us. It's bored over 30 over, so it's a 466 running Police Interceptor stock iron heads. We're making about 550 horsepower running Holley Sniper EFI MSD distributor. We've got the Mad Dog fender well exit headers, UMP air filtration, custom made intake tubes, Willwood brake masters. Deep inside the motor, we got a lot of comp cams, Eagle equipment, roller valve train. It'll spin well over 6,000, not come apart. Sorry for it being dirty. This is straight out of our last race. First time the hood's been off from a first place finish in Caliani, the Snore Racing Naughty Pine 250. So first time we've had the hood off. Run a Griffin radiator up front, dual fans. Again, a lot of stock stuff here. We'll fire it up for you. Again, the Holley Sniper fuel injection, awesome system. Inside for radios, we use rugged intercoms, Kenwood radio. It's a fun truck. Our next race is going to be Best in the Desert in Laughlin, the River Challenge. So follow along, see us there. Thanks for everybody's time.